Hey there, everybody. Robert Taylor with Wonderscape Creations. Now, before we continue on any further, there's one more thing we need to touch on. It's very important that you understand this. Because as it stands, if you do absolutely nothing else with the attributes, it'll work, but everyone's going to have the exact same starting stats, um, which could work if that's how you want it. But there will be many instances where you want them to have none of some stats or extra of others. So if we come over here in the attribute initializer component, there's an attribute override data. So if we go ahead and create one, which by the way, if you just right click, come in here, attributes, attribute override, there you go, easy to create one. We're going to go ahead and open this one. So I've named this one player. Um, and I'm only overriding the constitution, setting it to 5. So if we go ahead and I hit play, you'll see my constitution says 5. Great. If I make it 10, I hit play. Now my constitution says 10. So as you can see, this works exactly as it should. It completely overrides whichever ones that they are so that you are capable of doing what needs to be done to ensure that everything works as it should. Um, and it's really as simple as that. A little bit more information I'll give you. Obviously, you can name it and give it a description because maybe you have all of your, as you can see, you can have a parent. Maybe you have this one that holds everything for every physical character in the game. So they all use physical stuff. And there's 3 stats that are all foundationally the same for all of them. And then in this one's for the berserk, for the warrior specifically. So strength is actually gets altered in this one. Then the rogue, the agility gets altered in that one. So you can see that this allows for some complexity. You just need to make sure you don't have any circular dependencies, and it's recommended that you don't go terribly deep, because otherwise it can get pretty bogged down at the beginning. Um, but the features there to allow for the openness and the complexity that may or may not be required for your project. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next episode.